Hey guys, so I'm back with another video. Today guys, I'm going to make a fidget spinner. They're really popular nowadays. And I got 1, 2, 3, 4. I got 4 bearings, super glue. Hasn't even been opened yet. Oh, how do you open this thing? Just going to screw it on really tight. See if that helps. Oh, yep, that worked. That worked. I just got super glue on my hand, guys. Alright, guys, so I'm going to get this done. Yeah. If I get 10 likes on this video, guys, I'll make one out of wood. Now, guys, like I was saying in my other video, if you haven't seen that, go check that out down in my channel. So guys, I said if I get 40 subscribers or 40 likes, I'll make another channel. And that channel will be pure vlogging. And yeah, and I just want you guys to just like my videos, you know? And I really want to, and I want to make another channel, but you guys have to. So guys, yeah, I hope you guys like this so far. Here, I'm going to speed up the process. Alright guys, so I'm back, and I put another one on, as you guys can see, and they're drying right now. I'm going to get back at you whenever I already put on the third one. It's still drying, so it's going to be a while, guys. Hey guys, so I'm back. I got the third one on, you guys. It's already looking nice. It's almost done. Just need all the glue apartments to completely dry, and it's good. I'll get back at you guys when everything's glued. It's looking nice. So yeah. Hey guys, so I'm back. The fidget spinner's all done. Hope you guys like, comment, subscribe. Remember guys, if I get 10 likes, I'll do a one made out of wood. Subscribe, comment down below. Peace out, guys.